Fourth General Elections, 1967. The 1967 elections were a landmark in India's history. The elections were held in the backdrop of two prime ministers dying in quick succession, economic woes due to lackluster monsoons, insufficient foreign exchange, and slowing industrial production, etc. Also at the helm was Indira Gandhi, an inexperienced prime minister. Her first decision as PM was to devaluate the rupee against the dollar. This led to the rise in prices of goods in the country. People began to protest the price rise, scarcity of food, and rising unemployment. These protests were treated as a matter of law and order by the government, rather than as genuine concerns of people. This infuriated the masses.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.